Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here with Indie Farm Life. Today I'm going to try to move a little dirt. A week or so ago, Chris and I dropped in a 30-foot pipe, 2-foot diameter in the ravine over here. That's going to allow us to cross out to the barn lot, and we got some cover on it, but not enough to make it passable by a truck or a tractor or anything that's heavy. I don't want to crush the pipe right out of the gate, so I'm going to try to move some dirt and get on top of that. I don't know how much progress I'm going to make flying solo today. Chris is out of town, although once I start the backhoe, if Nick's home, he might pop over. Things like gravity, as soon as you get it rolling, people just start showing up. But I'll walk over here and kind of show you what we're working with. So there's a decent amount of cover on it. You can see the pipe sticking up there in the end, and even more so down the other way. But I just want to get a little more dirt on top of this before we start taking traffic across it. And since I am working by myself, there's a good chance this may look identical to this at the end of the day. Backing up down this little path right here with that barge wagon's a little tough, and to be honest, I haven't even done it as much as Chris. So what I may do is pile it out there at the front, stack it up, and then come back with a backhoe and just push it all in. It's supposed to rain around 3 o'clock today. I know it's sunny now, but I might get forced out of this at some point today, so we'll see how it goes. So I don't know if you guys can see the incline or not. Sure you can. You can see those trees kind of with the base of it hits the ground. There's a good little ramp up right here I think I might start digging into. The fun part though is going to be how I'm going to get that barge wagon through here. Kind of be a little bit of a maze, but I might go ahead and start breaking this pile up a little bit. Pretty decent little pile of dirt. I think should fill the barge a couple times. I'll tell you one thing, it smells fantastic out here. Fresh cut dirt is the best smell. I wonder if they make that a cologne or a candle. I need to talk to my wife and see if we can't get that going at the house. Now the fun part, I gotta walk all the way back up to the barn and get the tractor. Before we made it out here, haven't broken anything. That's new. Something about towing that barge wagon just makes me feel like a farmer. Let's load some dirt. Is that little dude lucky or what? Just saw him before I got in the backhoe. Maybe he wants to watch. I don't know why you wouldn't. Here's my fun little trail I get to navigate. All right, let's not tip this over. No one can say I didn't push it to its limits. Test her out anyway. This one's more fold than the last one. My road's starting to wear in pretty good right here. A lot smoother than when I started. Obviously a big dump truck or whatnot would be better, but this dirt's free, it just takes a little fuel and time. There's probably 10 yards there anyway. Keep going. Bust up some more of this. So I got 8 loads moved. That's a decent start. I think I'm gonna be done for the day. Looks like it's gonna rain here shortly, so I'm gonna put the barge away, the tractor, go back out there and grab the backhoe, probably put another bucket of dirt, or put a load of dirt in the bucket for good measure, but might come up here and try to spread this on top of the pipe a little bit, and then we'll see where we're at. So that there's kind of been the work side of the day. I'm gonna grab another bucket here with the backhoe and get out of here, go up there and spread what I got. It's a decent little pile. There's still quite a bit out there that I need to pull in. Probably need to get the Gannon on the tractor and clean it up. Backhoe's not really much of a finesse machine, if you will. It's a little better. So that box plate does a nice job cleaning stuff up. But so that was 8 loads today. Doing them by yourself is pretty slow, but made a decent improvement. I crossed it once with the tractor. I didn't want to do it too many times. There's probably at least a foot on there, 1.5 feet, but don't want to egg my pipe out. I don't believe I have, but we'll look down it anyway just to make sure. Still looks pretty round to me. More work to do, but it's coming along. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back for more. Ring the little bell so you get notifications when we do post videos, because we've got a lot of work to do and we're going to try to document as much of it as we can. Take care, guys.